Well, it's that time. I've had Luba now for about 48 days, so a little over 6 weeks, not quite 7 weeks, and it is time for a blade change, or actually a blade rotation. The blades that come with Luba are actually drilled out with 2 holes so you can change them or turn them after so many hours of work. So here I am just flipping Luba over. I did turn him off, and I also pulled the little security key in the back before I flipped him over and started poking my hands near all these blades. He has a lot of gunk built up in him. He just got done doing a job. It was a little damp on the lawn, that's why we have all this extra pieces. And here you can see a close-up of the blades. They are a little worn. So we're just gonna flip these 180 degrees, and actually on the one side I'm gonna turn them actually over. And we're gonna try to clean up the body a little bit too on that orange discolored dirt and clay, I guess. So in order to change the blades, it's pretty straightforward. You just have to get a Phillips screwdriver and loosen the screw. Now these screws do have a little plastic bushing, I noticed. Some of them were almost dissolved, but most of them were there. So you just have to unscrew that. I did also notice there was a lot of grass built up underneath, so I just had to clean off gunk and everything on them. And just do a little inspection, make sure the blades had no cracks or anything in them. They didn't seem very sharp, but I don't know. I'm going to just try flipping them like they say before I go ahead and just throw a whole new set on. You can get sets on Amazon for pretty cheap. It's like 10 bucks for 30 blades, so that should last quite a while. And that's about it. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend using a drill or any power tools on this because you don't want to strip the screw head off, because that would just turn into a nightmare. I did have to clean off some of the Phillips screw slots with my pocket knife just to free up all the dirt and debris that was under there. This guy's been running for, like I said, 48 days. He's been running 6 days a week, and my lot is about 32,000 square feet. So it's not terribly large, but I am glad that I did go with the Luba 5000 because I noticed the battery isn't lasting as long as I would like, but again, it's cutting the grass so I don't have to. So here I'm just going to hose down the little guy here and see if we can clean him up before he goes back to work. Now, I was able to get a lot of this debris off just with the hose, but I did have to, wipe down. And I did notice when I was wiping and cleaning him up, it does have a few scratches. I think he's getting under some of my scrub palms, and some of those palm fronds are scratching him up a bit, but he's doing pretty good. So you just have to be careful when you are cleaning him not to get any high pressure or anything. So I did notice that he's getting this orange tint to the bottom, and I guess that's from, like I said, the dirt and clay or whatnot. I have no idea what it is, but it didn't come off with the hose, so I went inside onto the kitchen cabinet and grabbed my trusty 409. That's what I like to use inside, so why not? It's just plastic. And once I could figure out the nozzle, it actually did take all of that nastiness off there. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this side up, and then we are good to go. So I hope you like the quick little video here of me changing out the blades. It took, like I said, about 15 minutes to change all the blades. So if I have to do that once every 6-7 weeks, that's not so terrible. Stay tuned for the next video coming up. I'm gonna work on building a little garage for him. Nothing too crazy, just a little awning. So we'll have that up soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to.